Hello, today I repacked my saddlebags and did another trial fit on my bike. Only 4 more days until I head out on my journey to, I still don't know where. Got ready to watch some Itchy Boots, Scooter Tramp Scotty, and Megan Captain for a great end to a good day. But there was an unexpected surprise. Another small but very important to me TubeBuddy milestone was achieved today. I am now at 45 subscribers. I hope it's appropriate to say thank you to Jeremy, the number 45. I don't always get the name of the new subscriber, but when I do, it makes it more personal, more real to me. I thank all of you. Along with preparing for my trip and watching after a 3-year-old, I'm putting together a video of the 300-mile periodical inspection I did on it. Thanks to all 45 of you for your patience and support from, yep, you guessed it, me and my Royal Enfield. Just getting ready to hit upload, and I noticed it's my birthday. So I hit 45 when I hit 65. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, guys.